Okay, welcome everybody. On behalf of RocktheBizOps Team Build, my name is Stephen Anthony, founder and team co-admin, bringing you today's edition of Basic Training AIOP. And what we're going to be talking about today is going to be how to copy or duplicate and customize any Rock Funnels share code page. Okay, now not all of the different page variations are always going to be this simple, but the fundamentals are going to be the same, and that is exactly what this video is going to provide. Basically, how to take just a plain Jane share code page similar to this and add in your own background. That's what today's video is going to cover. But for more advanced users, you're also going to be able to access the HTML editor itself, and you could replace images that are on this capture page. You could replace or rewrite the text that is on this capture page. You could change the button color on the capture page. You could change the text inside of the button on the capture page. But for today, we're just going to basically show you how to duplicate a share code page, a Rock Funnel share code, so you can copy it and have it for yourself so that you can customize it. And at the same time, the page, no matter how you customize it, will still be linked to the Done For You email series, the follow-ups that already are preloaded with your affiliate links. So you'll be able to customize the page without losing all of the emails. Okay, so that's pretty cool. So again, my name is Stephen Anthony, founder and team co-admin at RocktheBizOps. This training, I'm going to go through it relatively quickly because it's only intended to serve as a visual aid. I'm just going to walk you through the process step by step, and then the actual full training itself is going to be available here within our RocktheBizOps team training group on Facebook. The group is private. You're going to have to request access to the group. All right, either myself or co-admin Susan McCook will need to approve you into the group, and then from there you'll be able to find this exact training in the full written text step-by-step version from inside of our group in our Files tab, and it'll be included in one of our private trainings here. Again, these trainings are only available inside of the actual private training group on Facebook. The videos on the YouTube channel will show you what's going on, but the actual details and the specifics are all going to be included in our private training files. So that's where you want to come to join the team and have this outstanding all-in-one profits training that you're not going to find anyplace else. To get this rolling here, the first thing you're going to want to do, of course, is going to be log into your all-in-one profits. Once you're inside, you are going to want to get to your AIOP response autoresponder, which I got logged out, so I'm going to have to log back in here. Hold on one second. I also happen to have two all-in-one profits accounts. One that is my main account with all of my leads and referrals and money and all of that stuff. And then there is a second account that I am using specifically for trainings now and additional resources as well. Just to keep things a little more private for these videos that are going to be in public. Okay, so you want to get logged into your AIOP response. You are also going to want to get logged into your AIOP Splash Builder. There we go. Good to go. Okay. Now, like I say, what we are going to do is we are going to actually take an already done for you Rock Funnel share code page that's already been done for you, and you are basically going to duplicate the page, make a copy for yourself into your own AIOP Splash Builder so that you can control what the page is going to look like for yourself, okay? So, from inside of all an AIOP response, I'm just going to pick our most recent rock funnel, which is, the campaign was called AUG20 Rock for August 2020 rock funnel. I'm going to select Go so that it will load that campaign specifically. When it does that, you're going to see the AUG20 Rock up top, and then you'll see the 3 done for you pages that are available. Okay, this bottom page, page number 3, I specifically left unfinished for the purpose of this video. So this is the page that we're going to use. Now, first thing you're going to want to do when you get this page accessed is you're going to right click and you are going to view page source. Once you view page source, you're going to scroll to the bottom. Down where you see HTML at the very bottom, you are going to copy everything inside of this form, copy, and you are going to go to your AIOP Splash Builder. You're going to give this, you're going to create a new page, okay? So AUG20 Rock, I'm going to call this 4. There are 3 pages included with the actual share code campaign. This is going to be my own personal page to control, so I'm going to call this Rock 4 for page 4. Okay, I'm going to create the splash page. I'm going to, in the template manager area, I'm going to select empty page for advanced users. I'm going to scroll down and click update. From here, I'm going to go back to splash pages and make sure it loaded okay. AUG20 Rock 4, good, good. I'm going to select edit page. When the edit page loads, the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to add into meta tags. I just happen to always put RocktheBizOps. You could put your name, you could put the name of your blog if you have one, you can do whatever you want. I happen to be RocktheBizOps, so that's what I put in there, and then you hit update. Okay, very good. Now we've still got this source code copied from this page. So from inside of Splash Builder, I'm going to go to the editing controls here, and I'm going to click the little edit icon, and I'm going to paste the code inside, and I'm going to click update, and I'm going to click update. Okay, now the first thing that I notice inside the editor box is I've got this unwanted RocktheBizOps right here that was a part of that code. I'm just going to delete it. I'm going to backspace. I'm going to try and backspace again, which I can't, but I can still see my cursor here. So what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to delete, and that's going to move the form code a little further up the page. So update settings, and then I look at it and I can see that the form code is close to the top. That's what I want. Now the next thing I want to do is I want to add a background image, right? So the way we do that is, my suggestion is you go to this free image website right here. Allows you to download or copy and download background images or full-sized images without any copyright violations. So I'm just going to keep this very generic, and I'm going to select, let's say, piano. Okay, piano, and I'm going to search. Hopefully it's going to show me some cool piano pictures. There we go. That's kind of cool. That's kind of cool. That's kind of cool. I don't want to be too picky because I don't want to take too much time, but I'd like to find something kind of awesome if I can. Now, it already took too much time. So we're just going to go with something pretty simple. We'll go with this one. Alright, when you select the image at pixels, up in the drop down box, you want to always select large if it's available. Original, medium. Well, unfortunately, I guess we're going to go with original here because we don't want it to be too small. I'm going to right click and I'm going to open this in a new tab. I'm going to see how big it is. It's not big enough. There we go. Alright, I'm going to save image. Image. I'm going to save this as piano. Saved. Right? I'm going to go back to my AIOP Builder, and in the middle area here I'm going to select change picture. There we go, sorry for that delay. I'm going to select your uploaded pictures. Now I need to actually scroll down and click where it says upload your own pictures. I'm going to have to find that piano picture. So next page, choose file, images, and up in my top, you can't see this, but I am typing piano. I'm going to select piano. I'm going to open it. And I am going to upload the file. Hopefully it's not too large or it resizes itself. File uploaded. Okay, it's there. I can see it. So I'm going to go back to change picture. I'm going to select, you can't see this, upload. Your uploaded images is what you want to select. I'm going to open it up. I'm going to tick in the box for the piano. I'm going to update the picture. Picture is updated. I'm going to go back to edit page. I can see that the picture has updated here. I'm going to update settings. Always update settings. Every time you do anything, I'm going to click view your splash page, and bingo. We've got the piano looking background. Pretty cool, right? Now, what this means is that if you go to your splash pages, OG20 Rock 4, you take this link, all right, that we just created, this page that we just created, and if you promote this page, what happens is the page that you're promoting is now customized for you with the background, real simple. But when somebody puts their name and their email address here, it is still linked to the exact same share code autoresponder campaign that is already done for you, all of your links included. You just get to pick your own background and make this page look as cool as you want to, okay? Now, remember, this video is only a visual example. The full written text version of the training is going to be available here inside of our private RocktheBizOps team training group on Facebook. The link to request to join the group is going to be down in the description for this video. From inside of the group, you will have to go to more and access our files section, and you will find this full training included inside of our RocktheBizOps team training on Facebook. I'll see you there. Thank you.